morning, children. So I will be teaching you about binary arithmetic today. Okay, what you need to do is watch this video again and again so that you understand, especially ones complement and two's complement, when we use those two techniques to subtract to one binary number from the other one. Okay, so first I will quickly go through the addition, which is very easy. Okay, now these two binary numbers needs to be added. So how will I do it? Please see 1 and 0. Now you need to add just like decimal numbers. Okay, so 1 and 0 is 1. You know it. Fine. 1. 1 plus 1. Now in decimal, 1 plus 1 is what? 2, right? And then you need to figure out the binary representation of 2, which is 1 0. These few things you need to remember. 2 is 1 0, 3 is 1 1, 1 is 0 1, and 0 is 0 0. Okay, so these four things if you remember, then it will be easy for you to do the addition quickly. Otherwise, always there is a possibility. Suppose P2, I need to know the binary of 2. How do I do it? 2, I start dividing by 2, which we have already done. 2 1s are 2. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. I put it like this. Once this number is less than this, I stop. And then I write in the reverse order 1 0. This should be the binary of 2. Okay. Suppose I am going to know the binary of 3. Again, 3 divided by 2. Okay. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Here you need to write down the quotient and the remainder is this side. That is, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. This is the remainder. Again, I stop because this is less than this, and this is the reverse order. I need to write 1. Because for this case, you do it this way, that way, it will not make any difference. But here it will make a difference. Now, 1 plus 1 is what? According to that, 1 0. So you need to write 0 here, and 1 has to go carry. So 1 plus 1, 1 0 1. If you add, it will be again 2. 2 means 1 0. That is 0 here, and then carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now simple addition. 1 plus 1, decimal addition. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Right? Now again for 3, what is the binary representation? 1 1, which you already remember. So what do? I write 1 and carry 1, because 1 1. 1 carry 1. Now 1 plus 1, here there is nothing, you can add a 0. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Right? Again 2 means 1 0. So I put a 0 and 1. This is 1 0. So this will be the the result of adding these two numbers. Okay. Now if you want to do a verification, okay. So if I see this number, I told you the shortcut. You just put 1, start here 1, and then double of 1 is 2, double of 2 is 4, double of 4 is 8, double of 8 is 16. Right? Now you need to add the numbers which has 8, 16, these numbers on the top of 1, not the 0. 0, 1, just neglect, ignore the 0, 1, 1. So 16, 8, 2, 1. That is 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1 is how much? 16 plus 8 is what? 24, 26, 27. So this is the decimal of this. Okay, this is the binary and the decimal is. Similarly, for the other one, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Again, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. I will just see the numbers which has, on the top of 1. We need to see those numbers. So again, 8, 4, 2. 8 plus 4 plus 2 is what? 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. 14. This is the decimal representation of this. Now, 27 plus 14 is how much? 27 plus 14 is how much? So, 27 plus 14, 41, right? This is the decimal addition of 27 plus 14. It's 41, right? Now, this 41 you need to convert it to binary just to check that your answer is correct. So 41, if I start again by 2 to get the binary of 41, 2 to the 4, 0, remainder is 1, 1. 2 tens are 20, remainder is 0. 2 fives are 10, remainder is 0. 2 twos are 4, remainder is 1. Okay. Now again 2 ones are 2, remainder is 0. See again this is less than this, I stop. And again I do it in the reverse order. So what is the number? 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the, look at this, look at that. Both are same. So it is verified. Means our answer is correct. This is a long process. But blindly you believe this answer. You don't need to verify. This is in case you don't verify. So this is the answer. Right? So one more. If we do one more, suppose 1, 1, 1, and then I have 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. You need to add this. Again, how do I do it? Since there is a number missing here to the left hand side, you can add a 0. And then again, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is 0, 1. So 0, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 means 1, 1. 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, again 3. 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 means 0, carry 1. This is again 2 means 1, 0. So this is your answer. This is binary arithmetic. Okay? This will stop. Okay, children. Now we come to the subtraction, which is little confusing. There are two techniques. One is ones complement. The second is twos complement. We will do both. First, ones complement. Let us take the first example. Okay, I need to subtract this from this. Okay, now how will I do it? Okay, this is the first question. So, in subtraction, you should verify because sometimes you confuse with the steps. Okay, now how will you do the verification? Keep the verification in mind. If I take this 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, so 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. See, why am I doing this? To find out the decimal of this number. So this will be 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. That is 20, 20, 23. Okay, this is the decimal. Now if I talk about this 1, 1, 0, 0, again 1, 2, 4, 8. So this is 8 plus 4. Okay, so 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12 is this. Now 23 minus 12. We all know. So easy, right? Decimal subtraction. So 23 minus 12 is how much?
11.
11. Okay, 11 is the subtraction. Now, what is the binary of 11? Again, by 2, right? So 2 5s are 10, remainder is 1. So the answer 1, 0, 1, 1. This is the final answer. Okay. Now, according to the technique, first ones complement, we need to match the answer. Once you get the answer, we need to see that it is the same answer. If it is same, then your answer is correct. If there is any change, that means you have somewhere you have messed up with your technique. Okay. So let's do it. The technique says that you write numerator as it is, denominator you can add a 0 here, okay, because a number is in the left hand side, you can add 0, that is no problem, but right hand side you cannot add. So now this denominator, okay, we need to find out the ones complement of this denominator. So what is the ones complement? Ones complement means you need to convert 0 to 1, 1 to 0. It's very simple, ones complement. So here it becomes 0 to 1, then 0, 0, then 1, 1. Okay. Now you need to add. So the first step is find the ones complement of the denominator. and the second step is add both the numerator and denominator. Addition is as simple because we have already learned the binary addition. Now, so you can do it 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 3 means 1 carry 1, again 0 carry 1. This is 1 plus 1 1 0. Here you need to keep watch of something, which is here see how many bits we have 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. That means there is a
Extra bit.
extra digit, okay, extra bit basically, extra bit. Now if there is an extra bit, what shall you do? So this is something, just one. Do you remember what you will do?
Sir, first we will add the extra bit, i.e. 1, to the whole binary number which we got in result.
That is true, but before that, the third step is, what is that third step? If there is an extra bit, the answer
number is positive.
Okay, so you can just write down the answer and then you put a plus here so that we know that the answer is positive. Okay. Now, if the answer is positive, then this extra bit has to be added here. This has to be removed and it has to be added. This has to be removed. Remember, this will stay here. No. This has to go here and it has to be added. Now, 3 1 1 0 1, and this 0 you may write it, you may skip it because that doesn't make any difference. So you got the answer, see? Okay, same. That means we are correct. So you write down here 1 0 1. So this is your answer. Okay, stop it. Now the situation is a little different. We are using ones complement, but you see by looking at this, you can figure out that this number has less number of bits. This is more. Okay, so that means this is a smaller number. This is a bigger number. Means in the previous case, what we did was the numerator was bigger and the denominator was smaller. But it is reversed now. Now, if it is reversed, then obviously the answer will be not positive, it will be negative. Now, will the steps technique remain same? Let us check. Okay, so I will tell you. Now again, since here it is missing, you can add 0 to it. No problem at all. So the first step remains same. Okay, the first step is you need to find out the complement of the denominator. So ऊपर वाला I keep it as it is. इसको मैं 1 is 0 1 0 0 0. Okay. So what did I do? I found out the ones complement of the denominator, which is this. Okay. First step remains same. Now you need to add. Okay. The second step is also same. That is you need to add. So 0 plus 0 0 0 1. Again see 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. So this will be 1. Now 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. There is no extra bit, which you can clearly see there is no extra bit. Okay. 5 5 5. 5. Now, what is the next step? If there is no extra bit, what will be the answer? Extra bit होने से the answer is
Positive.
If there is no extra bit, the technique says the answer is
Negative.
So I शुरू में मैं एक minus डालूँ. Okay? Whichever. Why I am writing 2? Because this will be a binary number. ये मैं this is just to understand which number it is. Okay? So when we are getting this number, what I need to do is इसका दोबारा से ones complement. So this is the technique. You should remember. Okay? It all depends upon this. Because ये जो I can figure out कौन सा बड़ा कौन सा छोटा ये सोचो तुम्हें पता नहीं चल रहा which is bigger which is smaller. So you have to keep track of this. This will actually give you that what to do next. Okay, got it? If there is no extra bit, the answer is negative. And then पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं 1 को ऐड कर देते हैं, right? Now it is different. Now इसका again I find out ones. So what will be the answer? 0 1 0 1 1. So 1 0 1 1. And write 1 0 1. See? So even if you reverse 12 minus 23, obviously it will be minus
11.
11. And minus 11 is you get a minus. Okay, I hope one's complement is clear. Now you need to practice, because in your half yearly you will be getting one's complement as well as two's complement and the number conversions. Okay, so you should not lose much. It's completely mathematical and steps. There is no logic is involved. Okay, so okay, children, now we will be doing the two's complement. Once is over, so now it is two's complement. We take different numbers this time. Okay, so last time it was 2311, right? Now we will take something else. Suppose I have something like this. Now, straight away, you cannot say which is bigger, which is less. You need to convert, because number of bits are all 4. Here also 5. Okay. So, if you do the verification first, 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, 8 plus 4. I am doing it now. I hope now it's clear. You will connect with that one, the one which I have written here. So, इसके ऊपर क्या है? 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1,
13.
So this is 13. This is 30. 1, 2, 4, 8.
14.
8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. This is 14. So 13 should be minus 1. And 1 the binary, you know it's 1. So the answer is minus 1. Okay. Now let us do the technique. Okay, this is for your help. Okay. Now, in two's complement, again, the first step is numerator remains same, denominator has to, you need to find out the two's complement. Denominator. Now, how will you find two's complement? Simple. See, पहले आपको one's complement निकालना है, जो भी 1 को 0 0 को 1 कर दिया, उसके बाद एक plus 1 करना. Simple. That is your two's complement. So, if I do it in my rough 1 1 1 0, it is 0 0 0 1 plus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 0, carry 1 0 0. So this is your two's complement. So I write here 0 0 1 0. Now you need to add. Okay, so second step is addition. So you add 1 1 1 1. Now there is no extra bit. Okay, there is no extra bit. Now don't get confused with the first one, one's complement wala. Okay. Now if there is no extra bit, means the answer is
Negative.
that you have to keep it separate, one's complement. So you put a minus sign here. This is your answer. Okay. Now, if there is no extra bit, the answer is negative. What to do next? You need to find out again two's complement. Okay. So if do not no extra bit, then again two's complement. So इसका again two's complement. तो इसका two's complement क्या होगा? We know the process. This is the process. So इसको यहाँ लिख लेते हैं. This is two's complement. This is one's complement. तो क्या हो जाएगा?
0 0 0 0
plus 1. So the answer is 0 0 0 1. Okay. तो ये 3 0 को तो अवॉइड कर ही सकते हैं, है ना? So क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? 1. फिर आगे माइनस. तो ये आंसर है माइनस तो पहले लगा दिया, अब इसको लिख देंगे. सो वो भी आंसर.
सर जहाँ पे आपने ऊपर वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट लिखा है, shouldn't it be two's complement because we are doing two's complement twice?
Actually there are two steps involved in one's complement, and then this is the second step. Step 1 and step 2. ये दोनों स्टेप मिला के इस two's complement.
Okay. Yes sir.
So here also I actually mixed up both these steps. There are two steps. पहले 0 0 0 होगा और फिर plus 1.
Yes.
तो दोनों combine करके ठीक है. So now the next thing which we will do is जैसे अभी माइनस का आंसर है, that means this is a smaller number, this is a bigger number. We just reverse the situation and see what is the technique. Okay, let's take a different number. 1 1 1 0 0. Now, suppose I need to do this. Okay, I take a different number. I need to minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 0. Again, for verification purpose, 1 2 4 8 means 8 plus 4 12. This is 12. Okay, this number is. This is, I can add a 0 to it to match the number of bits, and then 1
Plus
2 4 plus 1 5. 12 minus 5 is what?
7.
7. So 7 is finally is what? If you 2 3s are 6, 1, 2 1s are 2, 1. So 1 1 1 is the binary of this. Okay? And since bada wala minus chota wala, the answer is positive, so answer should be triple. Right? Now let us use our technique and see whether it matches with our verification number. Okay, so 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, ये करना है. अब हम क्या करेंगे? First step 1 1 0 0. Second, this needs to be converted. Okay, to so 0 1 0 1 को पहले क्या करना है? Ones complement, that is 1 0 1 0. है ना? Ones complement. Step 1. And then plus 1. Okay, this is step 2. So 1 0 1 1. So finally, this is your 2's complement number. Okay, so हम क्या लिख देंगे यहाँ पे? 1 0 1 1. Then you need to add. Okay, the second step is addition. So 1 1 1 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 means 1 0. So 0 carry 1 and it's cancelled. Here you see 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. That means there is an extra bit. This one is the extra bit. Right? Up, if there is an extra bit, then the answer is
Positive.
positive. So all depends upon this. इस पहले वाले में हमने क्या था, एक्स्ट्रा बिट आया नहीं था, है ना? तो हमारा कुछ टेक्निक अलग था, क्योंकि हमने फिर उसका दोबारा से टूस कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाला और माइनस करके लिख दिया. But here it is little different. Okay, so there is an extra bit. That means the answer is
Positive.
So here only you write down answer is equal to positive. Okay. Now here it is very simple. You need to ignore this and this is the answer. ये भी इसका दोबारा से कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं. Okay. So in 2's complement here there is a difference in technique. So you shouldn't apply the same technique everywhere. So this will be answer. You just ignore. So ignore the extra bit. The answer is 0. पहले लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. You got the answer. This is all about your binary arithmetic. We did addition first and then subtraction. Subtraction के लिए there are two ways. One's complement and then you have to two's complement. Please do this, and it's very important with respect to your half yearly exam.